Hi, this is Cindy Murray, and I'm here today to show you some happy mail that I got. I recently ordered my PowerSheets from Cultivate What Matters, and I'm really excited to share with you the unveiling of my new PowerSheets for 2022. And let me get some scissors here. This is a really, I don't know if you can see, I don't have a lot of room here to show you, but it comes in a big package like this. And this is how I knew what it was, because it has a big sticker on it that says Cultivate What Matters. And I'm just going to get the scissors here. Oh my, I ran into the camera. Here we go. We will just tear this right here. First year I have purchased these for myself, because last year my Cultivate What Matters PowerSheets were gifted to me by my dear friend Brandy Reyna, who is she's my virtual personal assistant, and she's been helping me with my newsletter and blog and all of my social media this past year. So I'm really excited to have purchased it on my own this year. Oh, everything is stuck in this bag really hard. Something is stuck. There we go. Whew. Okay, so first off, I decided I wanted to have a bag to put it in so I can take it with me, because I do like to take my PowerSheets with me when I travel, so it's just easier for me to track things and remind myself. So here is the bag, and that is, you can see, a very large zippered pouch, and it's some kind of vinyl, I guess, so it's probably at least a little bit waterproof, and it's nicely lined on the inside with a very soft fabric. Just one moment. I also bought the smaller pouch, which I will open that up right now. It is made out of the same vinyl material, and it has a little strap so you can strap it to your book. And I thought this would be great for carrying my pens with me, all in one nice container. The other thing I bought, in addition to the PowerSheets book, was this set of planner stickers. And I think I got kind of confused when I ordered, because I think there was a sticker book I was thinking about, but I like these two. So I may go back and see if the sticker book is available later. But this came with all of these planner stickers, and these will be very helpful to me in planning some of my activities. And the last thing that I purchased, of course, was the Cultivate What Matters PowerSheets, and these came in a box. I don't think mine came in a box last year. I don't recall a box, but that could be, you know, COVID and all that. But this is a really pretty box. I really love it, and I love the color. I chose the teal, which you can see from this. And bubble wrap. It is very well packaged to prevent damage. And this is a linen cover in teal. And I've been told there are some changes in it but I have not seen them yet, so you will be getting this view just as I am also getting it. And I love this pocket. That'll be a great place for me to put some things, like maybe those stickers. Here's where I get started, and we'll just go through some of the pages to see what's here. There's the sticker set at the beginning of the book. I used a few of these this year, but I'm hoping to use more of them in 2022 because I just need to. They're there, why not, right? And then here's the kind of where you brainstorm. And let's get that straighter a little bit. This is some of the things going out as you start to get started. This was really hard for me last year because I'd never done anything like this before, but I'm really looking forward to starting this for 2022, and I will be working on that between now and the first of the year so that I will be ready in January. But I really love the way that Laura breaks everything down, and it's just step by step, really easy to understand, and really helps you move into what really matters to you. And I like the depth of it, I guess, is what I'm looking for. So there's everything going into that. And these are some kind of different things that I don't recognize from last year. It may be the same things, but they are presented a little differently. And here's some more of that. I really like the way this is looking. I love the teal color of this. It's very pretty. And there's a place to put my word for the year and my vision board. I also do a vision board with one little word. So more than likely I will incorporate the same one in different places, or maybe a different version of the same one. And then this is another one, turning challenges into opportunities, taking the pressure off. And then here's a little breakdown of the goals. It's a little bit different than previously. I think before it had a little section here where you kind of break down some different step ideas, and then you make a mini goal and lay it out. So this is a little bit different. I know some people have not liked it. I suppose you could still use it that way if that's the way you like it. I'm looking forward to giving it a try, however it is. So, and then there's for some of the wild cards, and then here we are into January. This is all the same as previous years, and there's the month at a glance. And here's how to start the start of the tending list. And this looks pretty much the same. There are some little additions here, so that's kind of interesting. And this looks a little different, but it looks like it contains the same material. And I want to go look at, let's see, April is the refresh. So here's the refresh. There's the place for your goals again, or your areas of your life, not your goals, your areas of your life. And then there's some prep work, and there's the refreshed goals. And there's like another little breakdown. So this is a little bit different, but I'm looking forward to it. And then we get down to the end. And I have not even done this part for last year or for 2021 yet, so I'll have to go back and review to see how much of that is different. But there is the PowerSheets at a glance, and thanks for stopping by to watch.